Last time, on Mario Character Elimination Show, Team Fruit and Team Veggies compete in the Daredevil Challenge. In the end, Team Fruit managed to lose their fourth challenge in a row, causing Team Fruit to face their fourth elimination in a row, and Bowser Jr. managed to get voted off the show.
Yes, that was me doing the recap.
And you did an amazing job, Google.
Thanks, Donkey Kong. Can I go now?
Yes, Google, you can go now. What will today's challenge be? Will Team Fruit win another challenge, or will Team Fruit be sent to their fifth elimination in a row? Find out on this episode of Mario Character Elimination Show. This is Mario Character Elimination Season 2! Guys, we really need to win the next challenge. I mean, like, if we don't, we send to our fifth elimination in a row. Just like last season. Yeah. Wait. But you only made it to episode 16 last season. Wait, I'm doing better! Yeah, so am I. I mean, like, I got voted off first last season. And this time, it's currently episode 23, and I'm still in. Haven't been voted up once. You know what I'll do? You probably just jinxed yourself. Oh crap. Oh my goodness, guys. This is like the fourth challenge you won in a row. Yeah! 4 challenges in a row! That's kind of hard to believe. What are you doing here? Chomp, I don't know. What am I doing here? Get lost. Chomp, you're mean, cheap. Ouch. Alrighty, guys. The mark is coming very, very, very soon. Hey contestants! Time for your next challenge! Let's go to see what the next challenge is. Why do we even bother? Cheap, you do know that challenges are mandatory. I know, but I don't care. Hey, get your hands off me, Pigeon Rate! Hello, amazing contestants! Congratulations on making it this far in the game. Actually, I guys realized something. I haven't been in the last episode like at all. Yeah. What's the next challenge? Anyways, I'm sure you must be wondering, what is your next challenge? Yeah. That's where we came. Also, why are you speaking so fast? Yeah, we won't be able to understand you. Anyways, your next challenge is silence, which is basically supposed to be the 13th challenge, but had to be delayed because Hitman was sent after Thomas. Yeah. Wanna hear the rules? Yes. We haven't played it before. No need to worry, guys. Silence is pretty simple. Just be quiet. If you be loud, you're out of the challenge. Basically, the last team standing wins the challenge, and the losing team will be up for elimination. So, do we have to not talk at all? You're allowed to talk. But if you scream, you're out of the challenge. Also, you'll basically be watching a horror movie. Oh crap. Also, if the person that constituted the challenge goes home this episode, then I would both be shocked and disappointed. Because, come on guys, you know better. Do we? Please tell me you were joking, Johnson. I wasn't. Oh crap. And so, the challenge has started, and so far, both teams haven't lost anyone yet. This challenge is no big deal! We can win this. I mean, like, we do need to win this. Badly. Yeah, Johnson, you're right. We got this in the bag. Listen up, everyone. We need to win this challenge. I mean, cheap, the last time we sent someone home was episode 18, and it's currently episode 23. Cuphead, don't jinx us. We still need to try our best and win the challenge. I mean, like, Team Fruit already lost like 4 members in a row. What happens if they lose again? Shut up. Hey, Why did we switch positions? Well, we always do. Oh yeah, fair point. Wah, that's scary, that's scary. Wah, wah, psh. Luigi, you're the first member of the challenge. Oh, poopy. I'm already out. That's sad. Wah. Wah. What? This is not good. We already lost Luigi. Yeah, this is very sad. Very, very, very sad. Ah, so scary. Psh. Kirby, you're the second person out of the challenge. Wait, what? Ouch. Never mind. We just lost Kirby. Nice. You know what, guys? I'm actually impressed. Nobody has jumped out of this challenge. Ah, psh. Yeah. Never mind. Rikupa gets dropped out. Rikupa, you're the first member of Team Vicky's out of the challenge, which means you're the third contestant out of the challenge. What? Nice going, Rikupa. Dum dum. Well, what do we do now? Yeah. Challenge them, no! Psh. Ow. Guravan, you're the fourth member of out of the challenge. Chomp, what? Ouch. Okay, we just lost 2 members. Cuphead is the 5th contestant out of the challenge. Wait, what? No! Ouch. Great, now we're the underdogs. Underdog? That's my favorite TV show. I'm not talking about the TV show. We're now the underdogs, which means we have a disadvantage. Oh, frick. Guys, none of us are going down. Wait a minute. Wiggler, did the Wiggies get out of the challenge? I believe so. Luigi! Wiggler and Enderman are both out. Oh! Ouch. Great. We just lost 2 more members. Just great. How do we keep losing people? Taffy is out. Nice going, Johnson. You scared me. Sorry. Ah! Ouch. Thanks a lot, Johnson. We just went back to being the underdogs. Sorry. Lucky 2, why are you on Mixie? Ah! Lucky 2 is out. Poopy. Ouch. Thanks for getting Lucky 2 off me, Cheap. You just got another member of our team out. Also, I couldn't breathe. What? Kamek, you're out of the challenge. Oops. Ouch. My goodness, Kamek is so stupid. We're not gonna win. We are not going to win. Guys, I'm going to sleep. I think I'll wake up in about 6 hours.
6 hours later.
Already, I'm back from a nap. What happened? Well, while you were sleeping, my team now only has 4 members left. There is going to take a scary movie. I hate scary movies. Psh. What are the year out of the challenge? Ouch. Make that 3 members. So guys, what are you guys up to? Well, our team only has 3 members left. Jim the Great, you're out of the challenge. What? Ouch. Jim the Great is a fraidy cat. Agreed. It's down 3-2. Hey, dum-dums. What? Johnson, you suck. Hey! Johnson, you're out of the challenge. Poopy. Haha. GQB, you're out too. What? You screamed. I did not. Ouch. Well, shoot. I'm in trouble. Ha ha ha! You said you're out. What? Yeah. You were scream laughing. How? Wow! Bah! It's down 1-1. Oh, really, Bullet Bill? You're not winning. I am winning. Guess what, Bullet Bill? What? Boo! Ah! And this just in. Bigger Worth uses sneaky tactics. Looks to help Team Veggies win the challenge! Again! Bullet Bill, it looks like Team Fruit is up for elimination for the 5th time in a row. Big surprise. Bullet Bill! I always knew you were a big scaredy cat! Hey! And thanks to your carelessness, you caused our team the challenge! Hey Evetoad, You got out of the challenge too. Well, so did you. Fair point. So don't take it out on Bullet Bill. Look, it's all of our fault we lost the challenge. You know, I never would have thought of that. And it's the first time anyone ever said that on the show. Yep! Can we just go to the elimination now? Hey, Thomas, how are you feeling? I'm feeling so much better. No thanks to Engineer Puffman Pig. But you can do the elimination if you want. Okay! And so, Team Food, it's time for you guys to once again vote someone off your team. Wow, I'm not surprised. I can't believe it. It's our 5th elimination in a row. My goodness. Hey, guys realized I'm doing better this season. Private Goom, you probably just jinxed yourself. Oh no. Who do you want to get rid of? I really want to get rid of Bullet Bill because he made it to the final 7 last season. Plus, he caught the team to challenge. Actually, I think we should get rid of Bullet Bill. I mean, he did make it to the final 7 last season. That's basically what I said. We vote for Bullet Bill. Oh no. School is about to start. Melody, you know school already started. Then why am we aren't at school? We're not at school because we're still competing in the game. But we will go back to school as soon as we get voted off. I don't want to go home. Don't worry, Melody. I have a feeling you'll win this season. That's the nicest thing anyone has ever said to me. Melody, you have our word too. We think you're gonna win this season. Yeah, if Luigi said it, we agree. So who are we running for? Well, honestly, I don't think we'll even win the season. I think it's going on next episode. Gasp. What? It's true. You filmed the next episode. That was a fun call for you, Toad. It's obviously voting for. Evil Toad. Let's get him! Ouch! Wrong! Whee! So, Creepy Man, who do you want to get rid of? Well, honestly, I really think we should get rid of Bullet Bill. Because he's mean. We vote for Bullet Bill. Bullet Bill? Bullet Bill. We vote for Bullet Bill. I can't vote yet. I vote for Waddle-Dee. I vote for Evil Toad. Boing. Stella, that's 2A. Yeah. Who do you want to get rid of? I guess you can get rid of Johnson. You know Johnson. Wait, what? Guys, what did I have to do to you? Hello, contestants! Welcome to your 5th elimination in a row. Seriously, stop losing challenges. No. The prize you today, Meta Knight plushie. Wasn't that already like a prize? I don't believe it. Anyways, if you get a Meta Knight plushie, you're safe for 4 more days. But the person who does not receive a Meta Knight plushie must be sent on the Catapult of Shame. Which means you're out of Mario Character Elimination until Season 2. And you can't come back for the rest of the season. Anyways, the following contestants got 0 votes. What'll do? Yay! Luigi, you're safe too. Bang! Alliance mates always follow, so Enderman and Wiggle are both safe too. I'm not going home. Kirby, you're safe. Well, that is the camera. Creepy Man, you're safe. Caffey, you're safe too. Caffey! Blue Yoshi, yes? You're safe from elimination. Yeah! Ouch. Third Night Prep Room, the same thing applies for you two. Blah. Evil Toad, Waddle-Dee, Johnson, and Bullet Bill. You 4 all got votes. Why do we get votes? Evil Toad, you'd be going home because you said that Waddle-Dee deserves to go home. Yeah, Waddle Dee, you could be going home because, I don't know. Johnson, you could be going home because, I don't know. Bullet Bill, you could be going home because you caused the team a challenge. Figures. Yeah, figures. Anyways, Waddle Dee, yes? Goodbye, Waddle Dee! You're safe by 1 vote. Wait, what? If I'm eliminated, I'll die. Guess what, Johnson? You're safe at 2 votes. I'm dead. The bottom 2. What? Why am I in the bottom 2? According to the votes, one of you got 5 votes, and the other got 6. Wow! 6 votes! Anyways, the final person safe at 5 votes is...
I'm agreed we come back.
Evil Toad?
Yes?
I have good news for you. You're the last person safe at 5 votes. Wait, what? Why? Yep, Bullet Bill. Because you caused your team the challenge, you have been eliminated with 6 votes. Figures. Team Fruit, I am very disappointed in you. You should know better. Dewey, please tell me you were joking, Johnson. I wasn't. Oh crap. Bullet Bill, I still have to send you away. Aw, man. And so, Bullet Bill, your adventure in Mario Character Elimination Show is officially over. And now, it's time for you to return home. So, Bullet Bill, do you have any last words? Yes, I do. I can't say my elimination was not surprising. I'm like, all I did wrong was cast my team the challenge, and I get voted off because of it. That's stupid. Yeah, Team Fruit, I'm disappointed in you. Anyways, Bullet Bill, I still have to send you away. Bye-bye. And so with that, Bullet Bill has left Mario Character Elimination Show Season 2. What will happen on the next episode? Who goes home next? Well, not on the next episode of Mario Character Elimination Show. Bye-bye! Alrighty guys, the merge is coming very soon. And once the teams do merge, we can work together as a big alliance. Yeah, but me, Wiggle, and Enderman are already in an alliance. You, Dave, Red Koopa, Cuphead, and you, Green Koopa, and Mugman are in an alliance too. So, will Yoshi, Waddle Dee, interested in joining our alliance? I mean, it is the merge. Almost. Sure, we'll be interested. Congratulations, you're both in the alliance now. Yay! And our first intention, figure out why Giant hacked Arcana. Why is this important? What did you say, Dave? Nothing? Anyways, we need to find out what Giant's up to. Whatever his plan is, it's big. Very big. And we're gonna have to stop him. Yeah! I never saw Giant as a villain. Cuphead, Giant has tried to kill you multiple times in the Cuphead and Mugman show. Oh yeah, I forgot.